How to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now click on the avatar icon given at the top left. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now here you're gonna find different option. Scroll down and navigate to the option App Appearance. Click on it. Now from here you can easily change app appearance for your Snapchat account. You can set it to System Dark. With that, you have just enabled dark mode on your Snapchat app. Likewise, you can also try out other options given over here such as cotton candy, black cherry, lavender field, and many more. Once you have selected the theme, click on Apply Theme. And you can see that dark mode has been applied. So this is how you can easily enable dark mode on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.